Next video basically shows how you install our V3 ZL1, so 6th gen ZL1 and TTSV 3rd generation expansion tank. This little tank does work on guys that have Magnuson blowers on, say, a regular SS Camaro as well. So what it does is it sits right here in this location. It uses a factory mounting hole on the fan shroud. So this line from the factory goes into this hole. So we remove that, push it down below. This line's right up there with it. So what this tank is doing is really just giving you added capacity to the system. But the big benefit is it allows you to burp the system and not worry about your pump seeing an air pocket and turning off. So it's real simple how it works. On these, this is the outlet line. So it has the factory little bleed fitting on it. This is the fluid coming out of the blower. So from the factory, it comes from this line and it goes right to the inlet of the intercooler pump, which is right down here. Okay? Yeah. So that's the inlet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this tank in line between the blower and the pump. Yeah. So you're gonna splice it here. So I make a cut on the factory line. I put in the provided barb that we give you. There's Gates heat shrink that works just like heat shrink you would use on wiring and stuff like that. So it's going to come out of the blower. It's going to come to the top of our tank, feeding our tank. The lower fitting is going to come out of the blower and go directly to the inlet of the pump. Okay. So you have another splice right there. Okay. Now what I like to do first is I will put my 2 lines on here. I'll pull the little purple clips out so the line's easily removable. I'll put them on, I'll kind of lay them in the general area so I know where I'm gonna make my cuts. Okay. That's really all you have to do. We provide you with some zip ties to secure these lines to the AC line right here.
Just away from that pulley.
Away from that guy right there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Then, when you're ready to fill it, it's really easy. You just open it up, fill it. It'll always keep head pressure on the pump so it won't turn off. You can start the car, it'll start filling, and you just fill it as needed. Cool. For guys that have a Mighty Mouse catch cam, we do offer this tank with a relocation bracket because the Mighty Mouse normally mounts here. Okay. But this relocation bracket we offer will allow you to mount it over there. Okay. If you've already got a Mighty Mouse here, you're gonna have to redo some of your lines and everything like that. But okay. It's no big deal. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I feel like it should clear up a lot of things as far as questions.